Just a reminder to try to remember our furry friends and our feathered friends outside. The only way they have to stay warm is by eating. And also, they don't have any water in the winter, so it's nice to put out some water. I take hot water and I pour it on to my frozen bird bath every morning. And even though it probably will freeze up again quite soon, being very, very steaming hot, not quite boiling, it really melts it down enough so they should be able to get a good drink for 2 or 3 hours before it freezes again. So remember, be kind and try to feed the little babies that are outside.